Banu, Bata, enter.
Auntie, this is not fair. This is not fair. These are my clothes. Auntie, this is not fair.
Look at this girl. You don't even have respect for your senior. Let me see how you wear fine clothes again in this house. You want to wear fine clothes to be shaking your bum, Mama, okay?
Auntie, what's the meaning of this now?
Hey, Broka.
Auntie, please, you need to help me. Sonia is dying.
Of what?
Hello, please, we're okay. Auntie, please. I just need 300 naira. Please, I beg you. Help me save my younger sister. She's all I've got, please.
300. Do you want me to steal? Where do you want me to get it from?
Auntie, I know you have the money, but please just give me. Please, I beg you.
1, 2, 3. 300 naira. I don't have Wow.
Auntie, please.
Get out! Your sister should go and die. 300 naira. Did you give me 300 naira to keep? 1, 2, 3, 300.
This girl is sick, eh? What's going on?
Brother, please, just give her the injection. I promise, I swear, I'll pay you the 300, please. I couldn't find the money.
Go get this 300. There's nothing I can see. Even though you talk for night tomorrow, I cannot still help you.
Please, sir. I cannot lose my sister, please.
Just look at this girl. This girl she's dead, though.
Tonya, open your eyes. She's not breathing. No. Tonya! You caused all this. I beg you to help me save my sister. I beg you to help me save her. No, look, you killed her. Tonya, please get up. Tonya! Tonya, you can't go. Tonya, look, it's me, your sister. You need to open your eyes. Tonya, open your eyes. Open your eyes. Nothing should happen to my husband. Nothing should happen to my husband, Father. In the name of Jesus, I come against you. You power of darkness, from the pit of hell, wherever you come from. I command you to die by fire, die by thunder. You will never harm my husband. My husband will not be harmed. You that devil, from wherever you are operating from, I command you to die. I command you to die by fire, by thunder, by fire. Fall and die. You that evil man.
Sorrow come true. Everything's falling apart.
What's wrong with you now? Why are you driving like that? I would say you want to break my leg?
Very sorry. I was actually rushing to pick my wife. I'm very sorry.
Your wife?
Yes. Very sorry.
But that is why you want to almost damage my leg. It's not like that now.
Mama, don't worry. I have package for you in the house. Let me just rush and pick her, okay? Come to the house.
It's okay. You keep saying you are sorry. You say, my brother, shake body now. You say you are sorry. Because you almost damaged my leg here.
Come to the house.
You have a package for me?
Yes, now. Yes. You know how they do that.
Yeah, I know.
What you so that you weary. Oh yeah. What you so that you weary. When pain and sorrow come true, everything's falling apart.
Izu, what is your problem?
Do I look like I have any problem?
Yes, you have a problem. If you don't have a problem, you won't be coming to work by this time. At least this work is meant for both of us.
If you check it very well, you will know that it's you that have a problem. Because you don't even know what is going on. If not, you will not be here finding who came late and who came early. In fact, why did I come late? Because I was watching film. I saw your brother parading, gallivanting the whole village with that his girl, that Oka girl that he got married to. You're here talking about who came.
Please, Izuna, let us concentrate on this work. Leave my family aside this.
No problem. Let me change.
You said my brother is in town?
Just like you're acting like you're not interested. Your brother is in town. I saw him with my both eyes.
Uchenna is in town. When?
Yes.
When did he come in?
Uchenna, when did you come in? Because I don't know who you're asking. Eh? Isn't that your brother? I should be the one asking you.
I have to run along. Please, let me go and change. But when you finish clearing this place, burn it, please. Burn it, then I'll continue from the other side. I'm going to see my brother.
Hey.
Oh yeah, yeah, what you sow that you will reap. Oh yeah, what you sow that you will reap. When pain and sorrow come true.
Mama, let me help out. Please shut up, you pretentious fool. No, Oma, I just wanted to help. You see, my husband and my daughter are so hungry. So I just wanted to help so we can cook and all of us will eat. Hi! Oma, I have suffered though. Oh, so you came to remind me that I am a village woman, okay? That I am meant to be cooking for you and your useless daughters. Now, okay? Oma, you're getting it all wrong. I only wanted to help out, that's all. That's not what you think. Let me just help. Hey! On your mercy, if you come close, I'll pour you this water. Sorry. I'm more of ya. Come on, get out! Okay, sorry. I'm more of ya. When Sudan and wine. Go out. Sorry. Oh, yeah, get out. Get out! I'm more of ya. City woman. Okay, me, village woman. You want to come into your house? Hey! It will not be well with you. Hey! One boom. Eh? Hi! I've suffered. Think I need to go to the city. What kind of life is this now? With this useless husband of mine that don't even have money. Eh? Hi! Look at how I'm just wasting in the village.
Oh yeah, what you sow that you will reap. Oh yeah, what you sow that you will reap. When pain and sorrow come true.
Welcome, my husband.
Thank you. Today was very, very stressful. So I'm talking to you now. I'm really, really tired and very hungry. I don't know. Is there food?
Eh? What did you just say? Food? Which food?
You mentioned food. I say, are you cool? Like, it sounds like food, like cool.
When you're done, when you're done with the house chores and cleaning everywhere, you better come inside. Let's do. You know now. Let me not wait for you inside, though. You know what I can do to you. Stupid and useless man.
Let's do again. But I thought I did like 2 rounds before I left.
But I can't wait to take my daughter Cynthia back home. Ah, nice.
Honey? See, honey, I can't take this, so I can't take it at all.
What is it?
It's not my brother's wife. I only wanted to help so that all of us can eat. She's there insulting herself.
Look, Okoro is my brother. Don't worry, I'll talk to him. He will address this, okay?
He better address her because I can't condone this at all in this house. This is also my husband's house and nobody should insult me.
Ah, here he comes.
Uche, one Uche. Hey! Oh man. I was clearing a particular plot of land when I heard of your arrival. I thought it wise to come immediately.
Good day, sir.
Welcome, my wife. Look at how you're looking so healthy and beautiful. Chai, looking so bright like the morning star. I'm
trying, right?
You're trying. Have you eaten?
No, like we just came in.
No. Why? What is my wife Oma doing? Look, let me go and instruct her to prepare a delicious meal for both of you. With one chicken.
I don't blame you. What am I even doing? In fact, I'm not cooking again. I forgot sabuno. All of you will purge. In fact, with your children. Let me even take all these things. Take all these things. Let me go and dry my clothes. I go be born. Hungry. I fall so sad.
Address this.
Yeah, is it?
Yeah?
What happened at the farm today?
Nothing much. It's just that on my way back, Uche, Okoro's brother, almost knocked me down with his car.
And what did you do?
And the worst part is he was not even feeling it.
What did you do?
I did not really do much. I wanted to do, you understand? But it's just that he just gave me small package. So I just left.
Package! Package is you? You're a very stupid man. You're a very useless man. You could not fight him! Or better still, ask him to pay for damages. How did they end up getting married to this weakling of a man? How?
No, like, he did not break my leg. He almost knocked me off. Thank God this guy did not break my leg. So if you have broken my leg, by now you'd have praised him.
My sweet wife, how are you today?
As you can see, I am doing fine without you around.
Without me around you? Well, no problem. That is not the issue at hand. My brother Uche and the family just came in, so they must be very hungry. So I want you to go to the kitchen and prepare something tantalizing for them. I will go and kill that big cock at the backyard to make the meal very delicious.
Hey! Hi! Chai! Oma! Hi! Atala ma fufu. Bia? Okay. Did you give me any money to keep? Mba. Oh. So because that your useless brother is around up here, that is why you have to come here to instruct me to cook my precious food for that useless brother of yours and that his useless wife that ran her mouth anyhow. Hi. The day she will step on my toes, I will beat her up mercilessly.
Oma, will you show yourself some respect and shut up? Head to the kitchen at once and prepare something.
Hi! Okoro! As your village chef, or Guinea. Bianwoke, you better respect yourself. Respect yourself before I do something drastic to you. You know go? Rubbish. Don't even have money. Cook. As your house girl. Poverty straight.
Give him money to GC go there. Where did I get it wrong? By marrying this girl. Oh! I am a good cook. There's no problem. Let me go and prepare it myself. Can go. Father, look that one. She was even trying to cook. Why did she stop? Let me even finish it up. I'm a good cook now. Hey, where's Zuga?
What are you doing?
Don't worry, I'm trying to prepare this.
See, where is your wife? I actually came to apologize to her and also beg her so that both of us can cook and we all can eat too.
No, forget my wife, Oma. Don't worry. You just came back from the city. And besides, I'm a good cook. My late mother taught me how to cook. I even prepare intercontinental dishes. You can ask your husband.
It's not done anywhere, my husband. We have full-grown women in this house. Not just women, wives. So please, let me make the dish myself. I know you will enjoy it if I make it.
No, don't worry, don't worry. Oh yeah, sit down. You just came back from the city. And it is my duty to prepare this meal for you people as a home base.
Now I insist. I should be the one to cook, not you.
Have you heard about chicken pepperoni?
I've not heard of chicken pepperoni.
Zuna! What are you doing here? Chemo. Me, Chemo. Mama, what is this good for nothing boy doing?
Are you okay? Who are you calling good for nothing? My own in-law is good for nothing. Okay, again, that man is good for nothing son. Then you standing here and telling me that my son-in-law is good for nothing.
Mama, don't insult me to this rubbish boy. Don't insult me to this rubbish boy, you. Open an ear. Can you be here now? What?
Please, I don't want you to be. No, don't mind him. I don't want you to be wasted.
Isn't that? What did you just say?
I said, Mama, don't mind me. Mama, don't mind. Mama, why are you minding?
What did you just say?
Nadia, so you don't want to talk?
Izuna, leave my house.
Izuna is not going anywhere.
Izuna, leave my house.
Don't come here to represent.
Don't mind them.
So I leave this house now. Izuna, I said.
Mama, leave me alone. Leave me alone. You should leave this house now.
Touch it.
I will not do anything. No.
Oh, yeah.
No.
Sonia, stop.
So that's why you are insulting her. Man, this is not fair.
Stab me.
This is not fair.
Everywhere, stab me. What is it?
Man, this is not fair.
What's it? My mother, be. Useless man. Stupid man. Weeping of a man. How dare you look this man? How? You the stupid man. You have the guts to go to my mother's house to report me, Abi?
I didn't even know that's why you were pouring all those insults. Yeah? I did not do it because I wanted problem. I just went to beg them to help me beg you so that you can calm down. Eh? So that if I've done anything knowingly or unknowingly to you, you can as well forgive me.
Forgive you?
Now.
Listen, I will frustrate you in this house. I will kill you in this house. See what I will do to you, eh? You will regret ever getting married to me. You know my brother now. You know Ebo.
Hey. Sure, which one is Ebo? This what you just mentioned, brother. Me, I'm not scared. I have thick skin now. Your brother come here, everywhere will spoil. What was the other one? Bring him now.
Okay, Ebo, babe.
Come me. I was just joking. Which one is Ebo, babe?
I thought you've grown. You have bones now. You can fight.
It's not like that. It's not like that. Just calm down.
You no longer have strong bones.
Oh, I was just joking. Okay. Listen, just forget your brother. You know, I don't want him to come here now and begin to, you understand? Anything you want me to do for you, I will do for you. Just mention it. You know, I'm sweeping, I will do it.
You know you're only good for one thing in this house, sure you know. Just one thing.
Which one is
that? I'm just managing you.
Washing plate?
To wash my own plate now.
Your personal plate?
Yes, now. That's the only thing you're good for. Come. Come. Come inside, let's go. Don't pretend as if you don't know. Let's go and do.
The sun is too much.
Come now, come. It's only that thing you are good for. Come on. Izu, I'm still waiting for you, Izu. What you said that you Izu, why is this place still like this?
No, I'm getting there.
Since morning. And why is this bucket here? Oh, come and carry this bucket out of this place.
I'll carry it. When I get there, I'll carry it.
And again, see this block. Make sure you fill it. Fill it with my blood, Izu. Fill this drum with my blood.
Water, I know.
Stupid man, lazy man, weakling. I don't work if you cannot even nothing. Hey! Izu! Are you stupid? What is this? Tell me of this!
What did I do now?
So apart from being useless, you're also blind now.
No, I didn't see you.
Cleanse now! Cleanse now, Izu! You stupid man! No sense. Let me come back and still meet you here. What are you trying to do?
Baby, I'm going to punish you. Thunder will fire with you.
Oh what you saw that you
3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 is 12. Good. So you write 2 carry 1. Carry 1. Then 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. Plus 1. 11. Write 1. Carry 1. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. Plus that 1. 7. Good. So 2, 2, 3 plus 4, 8, 9 is equals to 6. Right, 1 here. 2 plus 8 plus 1. Good. 1.
Hey, Yachima. Mbagba, get inside.
Mama, I'm learning.
What rubbish are you learning?
I'm just teaching him how to solve some mathematical problems.
Hey, all of us Sabi. Are you his teacher?
What is it again?
I said get inside.
Daddy, I was just teaching him maths.
Just that?
Yes. I think Uncle's wife is troubled over something. She has been acting strange lately.
Okay, don't worry. I will talk to your uncle. And please, whatever help you want to render to Chima, just do it. It's your brother, okay?
Okay, I will.
I'm coming. I'm going somewhere, okay?
Uche, my brother, I have heard you. I will talk to my wife, Oma. I will let her know that all you want in this family is for peace to reign.
Thank you very much. Indeed, I'm very happy with what you have said. You just behaved like Papa. Anyway, I will also talk to my wife, not to step in your wife's toe. You know, we might be here talking, and she have done something wrong to your wife.
Your wife, that I know cannot even hurt a fly. She has done little or nothing to my wife. But if the case be, I will correct it. Let's leave that aside. How is the family and business?
We are managing, you know the situation of the country.
Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. If you that is doing well in the city, can complain, then what are we going to do here? We village farmers.
Look at the way he's talking. Look at the way you are shining. You are not looking badly at all. See, let's go to that junction and take Nkweno. This one mean the village.
I'm telling you. He's still on board.
What you saw that you
This woman walk out on me. I think I have to talk to Guru about this.
Money bar. How are you? I'm fine. I'm okay. Who is your friend?
Okoro. I should be the one asking you now. Is he not inside?
No, I doubt.
He's not inside. Hi! This boy has come to sell his land.
Which one are you talking about?
No. I'm not talking. I wasn't talking to you. I said Lamba. It's not land.
Please, Isu, please. Tell me. I know it's your friend. But please tell me. Which land?
Actually, I'm not supposed to tell you. It's supposed to be a secret, but let me just say it. He has gone to sell that land at Dikeh Shrine. Yeah, I was not supposed to tell you. But you see, I don't know how the thing just came out like that.
Is he mad?
If he's mad, I'm not sure.
See, just please, is he there now?
But since he's not here, I am sure he will be there.
Don't worry, let me go and meet him there. I will not tell him that you told me, okay?
Hey, wait. Please, you need to take it easy. The way you are vibrating now, so you understand.
No problem.
That started. Eh? Just pour small fuel now. It's fine.
So someone just dress up and carry his little money and go to a witch house and seek for her hand in marriage and marry her. Aye! Okoro, itago konkere. Swa! But come to think of it, Oma was not like this when I married her.
Okoro! My man, this way you are sitting down here, talking to yourself. I hope all is well.
Isu, all is not well. It is Oma, my wife. Oma has been a bone on my neck. If she is not quarreling with me today, she's quarreling with my brother's wife. If she's not quarreling with my brother's wife, she's quarreling with my brother's daughter.
But wait, was she like this before you got married to her?
Izu, why are you talking as if you don't know Oma very well? The Oma you know before is not the Oma you know now. She has changed totally. She's now a witch.
Hi! Demonic attack, Uche. So Uche, you have finally used your occultic power to scatter this family. Hi!
Don't go there, don't go there.
No. You will not understand. So don't go there. I had a dream. In fact, it was a nightmare. Okoro, I saw Uche. He came to me and asked me how much will it take him to sell your father's land. And you know how this dream can be. You came into the picture and the next thing, he stabbed you. Yes! I saw Uche very well now. This is not Uche. He was putting on a black trouser, a native top, black and white, has little stripes designed all over the body. Yes now. And you know why I'm telling you this thing? My dream, it's not ordinary.
I don't like the position this our conversation is taking. I think I have to take my leave.
But wait, why are you always ready to move? Go home. Why? Why don't you like relax in one place, walk like a man? Why?
I think I have to go to Mazel Khan's house to check the site near Dikeh Shrine.
So you are going to the land now?
Yes, that land out to Dikeh Shrine. Let me see if the laborers are few there, then I join them, let them work pay.
But okay, I mean, it's okay, I'll be here. But please, can you lend me your cutlass? Because I forgot to sharpen this one, I was in a hurry. That one looked more... Wow.
Uche, I am going to inspect a particular site near Dikeh Shrine.
Dikeh what?
Dikeh Shrine. Look, the work will soon pay off.
How dare you call selling our father's land the work that will soon pay?
What is the issue here?
You're selling that land is... What land are you talking about? You know what? Go there, tell them tell your buyers that land is set to be shared. Thank you.
Uche, do you realize that I'm your senior? Is this not the same up and down Izu talked about? Uche, oye toro mmadụ toro chi ya.
Oh yeah, watch you so that you will leave. Oh yeah, watch you so that you will leave. When pain and sorrow come true, everything's falling apart. No peace for the wicked, no peace for the evil man. Watch you so that you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Our wife, good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, oh.
Please call my friend Izu.
My husband is not around.
When he comes back, tell him that.
Odogu!
Izu Odogu! Izu!
Okoro! I heard your voice. Good to have you here.
Yes.
What is going on?
I thought your wife said you were not.
Maybe he just came back through the back door.
My friend, leave this woman. I'm here. I'm here. How is it going?
I just want us to go and take some palm wine to cool off the day.
Hey, just when I needed that. Let's go, man. Let's go.
I'll take care of the house. Don't worry. You come back and meet me in this house. Me, I could go. Okay.
Watch you so that you will leave. Oh yeah. Watch you so that you will leave.
Shake it very well, oh. Shake it very, very well. Shake very well.
What's going on? Where did you keep my food?
Food?
Yes.
What is food?
F-O-O, the food. Where did you keep it?
There's no food though for a lazy man like you. There's no food.
Not today. I'm not in that mood. I am very, very hungry. Where I went to me and my friend, we took a lot of drinks. I don't even know.
Do you see smile on my face? Do I look like I'm joking with you? I said there's no food for a lazy man.
What's the meaning of that? Why would there be food for me?
Hey! This one was blown though. So you want to fight me? You want to beat me, Abi? Oh yeah, beat me. Beat me! Beat me!
Just tell me, what is my offense? What is my crime now?
Offense,
every time you always shout. What did I do now? Yes.
You want to know what you did? Why did you shout when I told your friend that you were not around? Why? Why couldn't you keep your silly mouth shut? You wanted to humiliate me. You wanted me to look like the bad person. Food though. No food for you. You will starve your dead in this house. Maybe it's me. Come on.
So because that small thing, there's no food for you.
Come on, eat though. Odogu, you eat Odogu today. Odogu.
I would like smoky boom. I would like smoky boom. Look at that in my face. Where the smoke toilet? Hey. Come here. Come on, move. Come on, move. Stand here.
So Izu, you have the guts to report me to
Who told you that? That's a very big lie. Anyway, you are thunder will fire you. It's like why Izu go and report? You know that's a lie. You just want to cause problem between us. Because you know you are my sweet. Is this guy not lying? Smoke toilet. I don't know how I smoke. Are you sure? Sure. You can do here. Can you go here? Well, I will not do. Now, you see, this. Go. I don't like this guy. I want to press. You see me, please. You see me, you. Press something. I come to the press of the. Look at watch this guy. Come back. See, make sure you take this. Are you hearing me? Let's move. Come on, Doro. Me, I talk and say, like 20 years now, I never smoke. I never even suck blood. You have blood going to sleep like say I smoke toilet. Nah, yeah.
She's a very wicked woman. Please what? Don't you see the way she...
What are you gossiping about? Eh? Me? You are gossiping about me? Eh?
What will you do?
Hey! What will I do? Oh, you beat me so I like this strength. What will I...
Look at my body, look at that stupid Philmond did to me!
What do?
That is this for my city because I called her gossiping about me. She beats me up, she did this to me. Look at me.
And I told you, baby. She has the guts to do this to you. Okay. See, don't worry. Just go home, yeah? Go and freshen up.
No, I cannot go home. So go and meet that stupid Izu.
No, I'm not going home. Go home. See, go home. I will deal with them, okay? No, I will deal with that. I will deal with that useless girl, idiot. What kind of nonsense is that one? What the hell is man here? So you are looking tattered. What happened?
Is it not because of you? Because of you, this stupid man! You went to the entire village telling them that me, I'm maltreating you. I'm maltreating you. And because of that stupid little man and friend, they did this to me. Me! Akugo, me!
Who told them you were maltreating? How did they know the truth?
So you mean I'm maltreating in this house? You're not listening.
Okay, it's okay now. Sorry. Well, let's go and do it.
Please, I'll kill this house.
Oma, you are my wife. And all I am saying is that peace is priceless and terror is senseless. We want peace to reign in this family. My brother and his wife are a peaceful couple. And if you understand them, you will enjoy them.
Who wants to understand with that foolish woman? When all she does is to paint her nails and carry shoulder as if no woman Obama.
Look, Oma, I want you to see things from my own point of view. I am your husband. Not on my position. See things from my own position, from my own angle.
Oh, Kuru. So you're not trying to say that I am not in a good position, Okoya? Oh, listen, Okoro. You better want those foolish people to stay off my way. Let them stay off my way, Inugo.
You dare call my brother and his wife foolish people?
Okoro, what will you do? Can you hear me? No, tell me, what will you do? Rubbish.
Otobana! Okoro! If we were to be in those days, will you talk to me like this? Look, I would have dealt with you decisively.
Hey! Okoro, what did you say? Okoro, what did you say? What did you say?
Nothing, just...
Oh, nothing?
Peace.
Peace. Walk on, everything.
Watch you so that you will leave. Oh, yeah. Watch you so that you will leave.
don't have strength. You don't have strength. If you see the way I dealt with her, really? I beat her, I people put her there.
Now, who among you touched my sister yesterday? I said, who among you touched my sister yesterday? So it's you, Ifoma, that touched it's you, Ifoma. Eh? You have the guts to lay your filthy hands on my sister. You know, Paula? Are you normal? Eh? I'm talking. You are doing as I'm not doing somebody. Eh? So it's you, Ifoma. Eh? Now sport. Do frog jump, idiot. I said you should do frog jump. Are you mad? Come on, do frog jump. Is that to do frog jump in your village? Eh? Come on, sport, idiot. Now come back. Come back. Next time if you see my sister, you run. You run.
I am tired of this rubbish. After all, I am the man of this house.
I heard you. Before you leave, act like a man you claim to be.
I have been acting as a man ever since I married you. But when I married you, Oma, this thing behind your waist was not as big as this. Look, it looks as if I am climbing Mountain Everest. I almost died here now. Mbakwa.
Look at this one. Look at you. Look at this one that cannot even last up to 5 minutes. You dare open your mouth to tell me rubbish. I'm even managing you. It's not even like you know what you're even doing. Look at you. My friend, before you go to anywhere, you better give me money.
Money kwa? Money for what?
Eh? Money for what? You will give me money for food though. Eh? And secondly, you will give me money to paint my nails so that your brother's stupid wife will not brag about anything.
For the money for food, I will take my responsibility as a man. But for the nails, fa.
You will give me that money, You will give me that money. Look at you. If you see all these small girls, they paint their nails, you'll be looking at them. Now it is my turn. You will give, I will paint my, that your brother's stupid wife. I will deal with that in this house.
For the food and the nails, I will do that. Okay. But the problem here is okay, the money is this side.
You know I don't trust you. I don't trust you one bit.
You are a woman. Act like a gentlewoman. Give me a chance.
Hey, this man! This man! Ogoro, you better remain there. You will not come back to this house. If it's all those small girls, you will give them money. They will paint their nails. Look at me, your wife, eh? Oh, you married me to kill me in this house. I must paint my nails. That your brother's stupid wife will not even brag of anything. It's not even like she's even finer than me. Eh? You will come back to this house. Ogini, what is it?
Oma, please, I came to talk to you. If there is anything I have done wrong to you, please find it in your heart to forgive me, okay?
Nkechi, I am not angry at you. It's not that stupid. Nkechi, what are these words that you're holding in your hands?
Oh, this. I brought them to you. These are my expensive wares. I know you have enough, but I want to just manage them add to the one you have already.
Hey! Chimu! Oh ma! I have suffered though. I have suffered. Nkechi. Oh, so you left your house and came to my small apartment to give me this your local wares.
No. They're not local. These are expensive wares. Okay, please just manage it.
Oh, Nkechi. So you look at me like a local woman of where?
No.
Or as a village champion. That is why you have to bring this rubbish to me. Nkechi, please respect yourself and get out.
Oma, it's not what you think. I don't mean it that way. for truth. I don't mean it that way.
Understand what? Nkechi? Nkechi, when did they marry you into this compound? Look at Nkechi of yesterday. Oh. Hi. I have suffered. Came to give me this thing because the one I'm wearing is not fine, not here. It's not your fault. It is Okoro's fault. It is not your fault. You know, go. Just get out.
Mama, sorry.
Sorry for your generation. What?
Oni, what is it?
Can you imagine, Oma?
Mommy, what happened?
She called me all sorts of names just because I took few of my expensive wares to her.
But that's not fair.
No, I've exhausted my patience.
Honey, please take it easy with her, okay? Maybe she'll be able to tell you her reasons for acting the way she does.
Okay.
I didn't do anything wrong. I was just being nice.
Mama Ebube, I came to you because you are the only woman I can say I trust in this village. The issue of Oma, my co-wife, is really eating me up. No matter what I do to that woman don't appreciate anything. She kept calling me names. Okay, we came back from the city. She was at the kitchen preparing food for all of us to eat. I know everybody was hungry. I went to her, okay, let me help. Assist you in cooking so we all eat. This woman bounced on me. There was no name that she did not call me. There was nothing she did not say to me. What did I do? I was asking, where have I gone wrong? I only wanted to help. Okay, I went to my husband. My husband said he was going to discuss it with her own husband, the brother, so that he can handle it. But as it is, nobody is doing anything about that woman's attitude. It's getting me up to here. I am losing it. I'm also a co-wife like her, so she should just let me be to my neck.
Okay, Nkechi. Hey, you want Oma's issue to irritate you? No. You don't need to get this angry. Because of who? Onyeni. The village champion, village warrior. Mbano. You are far better than this. You are bigger than her in every aspect of life. She shouldn't even do anything that will make you feel too bad and angry. You overlook her issues. When one is better than the other person, if he or she is misbehaving, you overlook the person and continue with your life. You cannot compare your life with hers. What do you expect? Somebody that's in the village seeing you the way you are, she will get angry. And each time she sees you, it is bitterness of heart. Ufobi. Listen to me. I want you to calm down. I don't want anybody to change your identity because of anger. Are you listening to me? Biko Nkechi, don't allow Oma to change who you are. Manage her. She's just a co-wife just like you. Nobody is different. Nobody is higher than anyone. If she's coming with her madness, give her space. Avoid her. Now just see her as if she's not even existing at all. Onabia, Usolota. Osebeni, follow this way. Avoid her. That's the only way to overcome her, because I can see that she's just looking for a way to drag you into issues. So two of you will be having issues. You don't allow her, don't give her room to chase you away from your husband's house. Manage with your husband. He said he will talk to his brother and allow them to have a man-to-man talk. Oh, Biko.
It's okay. She should just take it easy. Okay, whatever I said, she said, is it because I just came back from the city? She's a village woman. I never meant anything like that. I only came back to pick my daughter who is on holidays, has been in this village. Nothing would have brought me down to the village.
Don't worry. Oh, I will make sure I talk to her. If she will listen to my own advice, in my own cause me and easy. Oh, I don't like this your face. Always be cheerful. But listen, I'm even angry with you. Just that I have not said it since. But this is an opportunity for me to also say my mind. I'm angry than her. We are laughing now. Your wig. You should have bought a wig for me. Let me give you my orange so that you will leak. Oh.
Okay, thank you. Just gave me a relief. That's why I love you. I trust you. I always run to you.
Now you are smiling.
Thank you, ma.
What you sow that you reap. Oh yeah. What you sow that you will reap. When pain and sorrow come true, everything's falling apart.
Okay, Ife. Look at him thinking. What do you think can come out from this your empty brain?
Not again, woman. Can't you let me be?
I can let you be after you realize how blind you've been to see the handwriting written on the wall.
What handwriting?
Your brother has used his occultic power to sap your shine. Haven't you realized that all the money he has given to you, you can't even make anything useful with your life? You've been spending them recklessly, yet you remain poor.
I have heard you. So can you allow me to continue in my thoughts?
To think of the next person to farm for a prayer?
If you say so.
What you sow that you will reap. Oh yeah. What you sow that you will reap.
I don't like her. Maybe she thinks her color. She thinks because of her color. She thinks she's finer than everybody. Which foolish color? Bleaching girl. Stupid woman.
Someone that if I catch her like this, I'll break her like
small. Let me even see her. If she even touch my water, it won't me.
Hey.
Good afternoon. Don't greet her. This woman is a witch. Are you not a witch?
I've been trying to reach you. I wanted to come and see you to see how we can resolve this you and Nkechi's issue.
Hey! See me as what? Am I your friend? Anybody that is Nkechi's friend happens to be my enemy. Bam. So because Hapumaka. You see this woman? You know she killed her husband. You know, as you can see her like this now, she's just coming from her boyfriend's house. You know that my one tapper now? Otenkuno. So you have a boyfriend. He's the one.
Are you pretending? Chai.
She killed her husband though.
How can you be this wicked? Mama, is anything wrong with you? Are you insane? Am I the one you are telling all this nonsense?
No, her grandmother.
Is you now, this woman, this winch? Amosu. Oh, you know.
Punish you there.
Amosu, want to fight me? You want to fight me? She wants to fight me. You want to? If I let us for you, next time I will kill you. Look at her. She has seen her husband. Let's go. Don't mind that. She has seen her husband. Akuna village. Akuna one. You can let them go. Akuna.
If I tell my son, I know he will beat daylight out of her. Can you imagine nonsense? Me? Come on up, my fanda. Which? Okay. I will not tell him.
Oh yeah. What you sow that you will reap. When pain and sorrow come true.
We've been together several times now. You know, then I want to go to Paris. Yeah. Okay, baby. Okay, Paris. Alright, thank you. Love you.
Baby, why don't you go to Dubai?
I've been to Dubai several times. I'm not being in Paris. No, I won't be in Paris now.
Baby, let me tell you something. Dubai, I prefer Dubai because the last time I stayed there, it was really fun. The only thing there is just that I don't like their swimming pool. All the swimming pool there is next door, you know. I don't really like it. Maybe, you know, I think I would have preferred Dubai because the last time I shopped in Nairobi, it was to Dubai. It's very cool. The only thing I don't like is their swimming pool. Their swimming pool is not really cool. It's not.
Nairobi is in Cape Town.
Nairobi? Nairobi is in Dubai. That's where I shop all my jewelries and gold. Oh, the place is very. Don't you know Nairobi?
Oh, yes. So that is in Cape Town.
Cape Town. Nairobi is in Dubai. Have you forgotten?
Oh, in Chico Street. Yeah. Yes, I've been there. It's a nice place.
Baby, I just ran out of Naira. I don't know if you know. I only have euros and pounds with me. I don't know if I have 80,000 or just want to use share.
Baby, please, I don't have I just use the next one.
Show the camera your nails.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I want to fix my nails. Told me that I need like 200,000 and we can have $100 to pay.
Yeah, I think we can still change the dollar.
At where?
At home, we go and change it.
Okay, baby, you know, I feel this song very, very far. No, I can't because I don't want to keep myself there. So I
just like I'm doing. Yeah. I'm just receiving fresh air here. This not even me. This house, you know, just hiding myself. I don't want people to know the kind of person I am. Yeah, sure. Hey, baby, you passed one big mansion when you were coming here. This big mansion there. I bought it yesterday, baby. I bought it. I bought the house. Oh my God! Are you serious? I'm serious. Oh my God!
What you sow that you will reap. Oh yeah. What you sow that you will reap. When pain and sorrow come true, everything's falling apart. No peace for the wicked.
You waiting be your own now. Waiting be your own. Waiting not gonna be my own. Why will you be lying up and down 6.5? I know you. I know you. Okay. You think I'm lying? Who talk about lying? Who talk about lying? You think I don't know you? I know your guy in Ochanja Market. I know your guy very well in Osuland. So because you stole this fine shirt, stole fine jeans, stole everything, even the necklace, you came to this village with 6.5 million, 5.5 million. You don't have shishi, start trap and you do not if I show you now, you will shock. Oh. Show me, let me show. You will shock. Oh. Show me. If I show you this receipt corner, you will shock. Oh. Oh, you don't know that Ayanaga 111. Okunaga 111. Ayanaga 111 next year. You don't have money. Instead of you to use this your fine boy, use this your tall boy, use all this your lie attitude to make money. You're here wasting it. Don't you know I can help you make money with this thing? Yes, now. Oh, you don't know? Let me go and tell everybody you're fake. Wait. No, come now. Come. I want to go money. You know go money now. Say come. Don't you know this your lighting? You know this your 6.5 million, 3.5 million. I can make it in Ujenasi. Sister, Uchenna sister now, I love you. That's good for nothing, lousy girl. Oh, the Bible said we should see the good in every bad situation. That girl I know is a bad situation, but if you use my four-finger double eye to compose that girl, my brother, you will see that girl is a lot of money. The girl is what these boys that press laptop, these boys that do wayo in the name of Yahoo. The girl is what they call maga. Yeah, but my if you use all this your fine phone with this your fine phone, this your fine shirt with your bling bling, you use this your bling bling and look at that 2 times. You fell in love and start thinking more. So what are you saying now? Thank you. I like the way you are taking interest in this business. Just promise the girl, just be lying this lie in front of her. Leave the rest, I will compose her. That girl, I will compose her. I will make her believe that you want to build 3-story building in this village. The next thing, she will now start collecting money from Uche. Are you serious? That girl is lying that she's a student. She know they go any school, oh. She no go any school. The school fees where they collect from Uche, where you go use do makeup. Uche will free your top on one condition. 50-50. So I'm 50-50. If those are fine like you, don't like you, I will not involve you for this business. 70-50. Forget about the 30-50. 70-30. 70-30. Why? Why? Let's do 70-30. With all the sense I have. Sense. Without my sense, do you think anything will have sense? If I don't have sense, how will I know that you are lying? You need to receive sense because I know that my call is legit. Hey, you want to cause another problem? You just want to cause another problem. You want to spoil this business? Let's get business started. Thank you. I will make sure I compose the girl to like you. Anytime you see me and that girl, start talking about hotel. And you want to build hotel in this village. Once you talk about hotel, I will compose her. If I compose her, the first thing she will do is, I'm a mom. If you can deliver in the waistline, if you can deliver this side, I know your stature and this your size. You are a big road. I will shift our waist. I want that girl to be shouting, my wombo, my wombo, my wombo, my wombo, my wombo. The moment she shouts my wombo, believe me, she will start paying. No problem. Are you okay with that? I'm okay. Thank you. 70-30. Who is 7? Sounds like you don't want this business. 70-30.
No peace for the evil man. Want you so that you will read. Oh yeah. Want you so that you will read. Oh yeah. Want you so that you will read. The evil that men do.
The money bar. I pay go to SEC. The enemy with it for when you're fire. The only man that have when money speaks, nonsense talks. Boss, you see that house, but I have fallen for you. In fact, I am tripping for your legs. Boss, if you see that house, you know that house I showed you now. I just bought it yesterday. Even with the contractors were shouting, who is this man? Who is this man? This guy has finished work. Boss of life. Look at his hair. His hair was made in Fernanda Poe. Oh, you don't know? Have you seen boss making hair in Nigeria? No barber touches this hair. If he wants to cut his hair now or do shaving, straight to Fernanda Poe. Very fast. Fernanda Poe. You don't know Fernanda Poe? In Otunkom. You've not heard of the country called Otunkom? He makes his hair in Fernanda Poe in Otunkom. Boss of life. Look at it. It's good. Yes, so from Nairobi in Kenya. He told me himself. He said he got it from Nairobi in Dubai. Sorry, Dubai.
Nairobi. That's where I buy my jewelry and gold. I know you've not been there before.
No. She's sorry, boss. I'm sorry to say this. She's a local champion. Oh yes, she's born and brought up in this village.
I see.
Though he's elder brother, Uchenna. He's one of these local.
Oh, Uchenna.
That local boy I told you now.
Carries himself off.
That would go to be there. That's his useless brother. But don't worry. You've met the boss. The brother don't have money. The boss. When the boss talks, you shut up. Boss, look at her now. Check out. Check out. Fine girl. Fine girl, no people. Even the boss, if you know how I managed to beg this girl to this place, you will say something for me. Boss, when will you leave this contest? Baba can take you out. He can take you to London just for lunch.
Don't worry, I am fine.
You see, good girl. She doesn't want you to spend your millions unnecessarily. You don't want to go to Nollywood.
Money is not the problem. I think we have to talk
No. She's a local champion. I said this before. Ezzy, you're a local champion now. You don't know your right from your left. If they take you to Dubai now, you start shouting, I don't know. So I understand. Boss, I have to go to that new site you want to buy. Okay. Just stay with me, man. Anything you want, do it for me. Even if he wants to travel to he's in Israel now. He wants to go to Israel. Allow him is a pilgrimage. It's a pilgrimage. Just do it,
Got you so that you will read. Sex, got you so that you will read. No peace for the wicked, no peace for the evil man. Want you so that you will read. Oh yeah. Want you so that you will read. Oh yeah. Want you so that you will read. The evil that made you lies
I know you've not done anything about the school fees I told you I wanted to pay.
School fees? I can't remember you mentioning this before.
I told you I wanted to pay my school fees now. 190,000 now. Approximately 200,000.
What are you doing now? What are you doing now?
Just give me the money first. So I want to pay.
Okay, so you first seem to know what I do. Okay.
I got your business. You're my lecturer. You're my lecturer. Shit, but I want how. What is this now 190,000 job? If I slap you now, am I your mate? What's the difference with the school fees? Are you see your money? It's not 190,000. It's not. Well, actually, I see now. What how? It's not for one.
What's wrong with you? Why are you afraid? Won't fight my brother. Listen, what's wrong with you? I am talking, you are saying dinner.
Thief.
Are you what, man? Why are you afraid? Well, get out of here. Get out from here. Get this and get busy. Idiots.
Okay, you don't need to complain. Just chill. I'll give you back. Hey, I'll give you what 80,000 naira. It is a chicken change for me. Okay, listen to me now. If I change my euro next week, yes, I will change it next week. Then I'll give it to you. I'm going to give you 500,000 cash. She gets it.
Lion. Lie. The man that uses lie to even tell how the world will end and come back again. Have you confirmed your alert?
Which alert?
You're asking me which alert? Don't even play that your lying tongue with me. That girl told me in confidence that she has paid 80,000 Nigerian naira. I repeat, 80,000 Nigerian naira. I have divided it in my mind. It is 40-40. Give me my 40,000. Let me tell you. You know, I never knew that this thing would work out this way. No one now. You never knew. No one knew it would work out. Well, definitely I'll find you something. There is nothing like definitely I'll find something. We agreed on 50-50. Give me my own share of the money now before you in Akuwa. I could find you something now. No, they find me something. Give me my money. You're telling me find me something. See, wait. I will find you something. I will go show you. I'm not pressing if I told him press if I am not bothered that you will press. Transfer my own. She said she did transfer for you. Yeah, cashless policy. She did transfer to your account. Transfer my own. I have bank account too. You are not doing pressing with bank account. No what happens. Send the other Mkemozu. But I have my Instagram. Instagram. DM me your account number. Instagram. I have your account number. I have told you I'm not one of these people you will lie to. Or I go to Facebook. I don't know what digging it. Go to Facebook. Send me a message. Your account number. I will transfer. Wait. I should go and face my book. My face that you're seeing, is it too expensive for you? What can give me my money? Let me leave this place. You're telling me Facebook. Okay, give me my money. I go shout to what people? Village people. What people? I will shout. I'm shouting on radio. Okay. Come here, down. I'm shouting. Your guy just 50,000, 40,000. Now. Okay, now. I don't have it cash now. Transfer. I have accounts. Transfer. That's what I'm saying. You should go to my Instagram. DM me your account number. Then I'll send your money. No, I have it. I have my account number in my head. This is money matter. Yeah, but where go? Give me my own. Nah. Oh, stop telling me no price. Stop touching me. I don't like it. Give me my money. Yeah, but where go? 40,000 for you, 40,000 for me. We do business. I will still convince someone. For your information. You see, no network. Can't you see? Oh, no network. Network inside. You are not going anywhere. Put network in this phone. You put network. So you use network to receive alert. Use that same network to transfer my own. Look at this man. Which are you? You are putting your phone in your pocket, taking can water. You know I'm going to can water. The phone will go for me. I will give you your money. Give me my money. Give me my money. You will not see this phone until you return my money. No, you will not see this phone. I will give you. Give it to me now. Let me go. No network. Mobile transfer. No network. Chill. I will give you. You know you like too much.
Come true. Everything's falling apart. No peace for the wicked with an evil mindset. Watch you so that you will reap.
My baby. Hey, what can I do without this girl? Look at now, she's calling me. Maybe she's calling me to give me 100K. After collecting money from that her stupid brother, that good for nothing, she'll come and give to me. Maga, it be fun on my years. Let me click now. Hello, my love.
Hello?
My baby. My sugar. How you doing?
I'm fine. There's something I want to tell you.
Baby, what is it? You know I can do anything for you. Just name it. Because of you, good luck Jonathan Gacy Abuja, the Enugu State. Tell me, what is it? Name it. I'm just a girlfriend, no problem. I will come and wash plate for you. Tell me, baby, tell me. You are looking for it. Okay, you're looking for me. I'm here. Really, I'm here. I'm always there for you now. You don't need to look for me.
No, you.
Then what?
I'm looking for my period.
Please, can you take that lines again?
I'm looking for my period.
Beginning? Which period are you looking for? See, let me tell you. You better go and search for it under your pillow, your cupboard. Search for it very well, or even that your useless brother's room. Go and look for it where he's keeping money. Go and search for it. Or if you don't find it, go to Summit Junction anywhere. See, this is an expensive joke. I don't like it. What do you mean you are looking for your period?
No. I don't like that. See, don't tell me that kind of a thing next time. What do you mean?
Why are you saying all these kind of things now, eh? It's not the both of us that did it.
Did what?
It's not the both of us that did it.
Do what you do. Do kill you there.
I'm not doing it too now. You're telling me to go and look for it.
See, but I'm done with you.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Can you imagine? You are looking for your period. Yeah? I was even thinking maybe you called to give me upgrade 200k.
You see now, after you say you love me, after doing the two now, you are running away. Hey, what do I do now? Ghosting is the answer.
Oh yeah, what you saw that you will reap. Oh yeah, what you sow that you will reap. When pain and sorrow come true, everything's falling apart.
I don't know where they got this foolish gate man. GM! Oh!
This man must rest for this place. GM. So they come manage and name here. GM there.
Do you know you're very stupid?
Me, stupid.
As in you are mad.
Me, mad.
Number one, why did you leave this gate open?
Madam, I sweep that side now. You say this place, the compound, I need to be super.
You can sweep that side. So when you are sweeping, you leave the gate open. What if somebody comes inside?
Madam, nobody will come. You see all those children, I don't want one of them say they know this place. We'll get problem. Who even tell you say the gate is open? Look, Nana.
Hey. You don't have sense, you don't have brain. Your village people have used your sense.
Oh my God.
What kind of stupid, foolish gates man?
Madam, no they talk to me like that. Even people, Oga, Madam, no they talk to me this way. You come, they tell me something when I don't understand.
I am not your foolish madam. I'm not your foolish your papa madam and your Oga. Do you understand me?
Madam, see me can tell you, we have a come. I don't wish to marry you.
If kind of stupid talk is that one?
Don't blame you now. Don't really come. What do you make you come here now?
Take. Go to any pharmacy and buy me that thing there.
Post.
Did I ask you to read it?
Post office too.
Post later.
Yeah, you say make I go again.
Oh God. Go to your village.
Madam, no, they do this thing now. Where you say make I go?
Oh no, go to any pharmacy and get me that thing there, Joe.
Okay, for post office, they say chemist. Okay, wait, I will just give them this thing, Abi.
Give me. Go get out.
If I reach there, they will just. Okay.
Hey God, where did they get this from? GM. General Manager. How you doing now?
Nami, call me. If you know, say now only you be the person where they call me that my title. General Manager. Yes, sir.
I better leave that one first.
Yeah.
So, madam.
Which of the madam?
Your madam. How many madam do you have?
Hey. As I follow you talk, madam where they this house, they plenty. You see that small masquerade where they carry come from village, where I never understand where for come. That one just terrorize the whole compound. Yeah, GM, you do this. GM, you do that. GM, you go with there. GM, you come there. Everything, GM. You don't they bring fire, stone, glass, everything they come. I don't know where they for go bring that small witch. Come, they come torment everybody for the compound. That woman is the only person with as you see this my title where they call me so where they make body they sweet to me. You know what that woman tell me today?
What is it?
GM, we be general manager. She change am. She say na gate man. G for gate, M for man.
So now she goes school pass am.
Like if I sing go this message, come back, I will tell Oga make them change this thing. See, now this thing they make and they call me gate man. Eh? By the time Oga saw me new uniform, I dress my uniform, wear my cap, wear my okay, na stick. You see all of my brother with they do gate man for Australia. Yeah? Now so those one they dress where they make them they very very okay. But you don't know say I have been married her age.
She has been the one terrorizing my friend. As in tormenting my only friend, my own friend.
No. Terror.
Don't worry. You should not worry. Don't worry yourself, eh? Let me just go inside and give her a little piece of my mind.
No! That masquerade no need peace, oh. Not even triumph, say na peace.
Don't worry yourself.
No, not to peace, oh.
GM, don't worry yourself. I'll drop something for you, yeah?
So cute.
What you so that you weary.
Who's this kind of people from? Eh? So this thing is not coming. Let me do something about it before that will pass Gary now. Who is that foolish person? Who's that idiot at the gate? I'm looking for the madam of this house. Hey! Do you have gates in your house? No. Do you have gates in your house? Then you want to break down this one? You must be very stupid. Oh. In fact, you must be very, very mad. In fact, you are stupid, you are crazy, you are an idiot. Where is your madam? Where is the styler? I'm mad. You don't want to do that at this morning. I'm stupid. Yes! I'm mad. You are crazy. I'm crazy. In my own brother's house, they're mad. In my own brother's house. Do you have a brother? Do you have a brother? If I backhand you now, you tell me your sister-in-law is. I'm my sister-in-law's keeper. I'm my sister-in-law's keeper now. Then you're asking me foolish question. You're mad. Why am I asking a mad person question? Why am I asking somebody that is obviously crazy? Question! Come back here. You're mad. Just try it and say you want to go inside again. Oh my God! See, if you try it again! If you try it again, it's not that I just ask me.
City. You are going back to the village. Mark my word, you are going back to the village. First thing tomorrow morning. You are taking too much in this house. You are going back to the village.
he has not got into that. But check this thing though. You know, we used to be very close. You used to be my best friend. We used to be close like this. But when she comes now, if she advise your wife will enter the room. And when she enters, you just come out and start giving me change.
Wait. You got 80,000 I gave to you yesterday change.
Brother, check it now. Can you sit down and buy me makeup?
You're a big girl. In fact, you be that big girl. You go to the village and become that big girl.
This is my brother's house. I will remain here. Not in the factory. You are very busy in the city. You are going back to the village. I am not going anywhere. I am staying here. This is my brother's house. What is it?
You see this money I am giving to you. I was supposed to discuss it with my wife before giving it to you. I didn't do that. So please, I want you to use this money judiciously.
Uche, am I a small boy? No, Uche, am I a baby? That you will be controlling that you'll be telling me for you to give me money, you have to ask your wife. You just have to announce it.
See, Ikoro, my brother, you fail to understand that I toiled so much to make this money. You understand? So, this your business proposal you brought, I was supposed to like look into it, but I didn't even look into it. I didn't even discuss with my wife, but I am giving you this money. All I'm saying, I know you are a senior brother, but all I'm saying, I'm just advising you to use this money judiciously, not that nothing.
What is this? What is this that you want to give me money? You are shouting, you are telling me that you want to tell your wife, and then tell your wife, and money that I want to use and do small business. Just small business, so Belego. You say, who are Jamana? I don't like it.
See.
Do you forget how I helped you? Even when our father was late?
There is something, you see, look at this issue here. I didn't even say all this thing for you to spring up. It's just an advice I am giving to you. You understand? Money is hard to make. I know why I'm saying it. So please, use this money and be useful to yourself. You understand? I didn't say it.
No, I don't like it.
Okay.
What is this?
Okay, let me just transfer this money now so that you will get a lot now. You are just I'm transferring it now. You are not happy.
You know how we grew up. You know what Mama told us.
Yeah. You're just misunderstanding me. I am not trying to
want to open this business so that everybody will be happy. My wife will be happy.
When pain and sorrow come true.
But I told you not to hope for me.
Why would I wait for you? I'm not picking myself, so I'm trying to
You know, I saw the call, but I was doing something. I said, Achalugo, why your man? Up now. Hey, Ligoti. God, moderate. Only if Oma just carried something and food everywhere. Moderate.
Hey, I'll be here waiting for you because you know I told you that my dad wants to buy the airport at Lekki, the one in Aja.
Aja? Airport?
Yes, now my dad wants to buy the airport. And you know, I told you now, I need money because my dad just called me. He told me about the agent. I need to give the agent money for him to secure the airports. I don't want my dad to lose that airport.
I know. Look, I will tell my brother, Uchenna. He will give me money.
Are you sure he will give you the money?
He will give me money when he do transfer. I do not do transfer to you.
You even know about transfer?
Cashless policy kind of messy. Cashless.
Are you serious?
You know, it is not good to carry money of high. You just carry it and be walking around. Nobody will just, people will just come and collect. It's cashless policy.
I know about the transfer. My dad told me when I was in Europe. Yeah, my dad really told me about the transfer. You know this tattoo?
Yes, Manka. Look at
this tattoo. Yeah, I drew this tattoo when I was in Poland. You know, the man in Poland, like when I was in Poland, you know, the man that drew this tattoo, he and my dad, they are best of friends. They are 5 and 6, like coke and butter. They do everything together. And the man is even my dad's PA. You understand? PA? Yeah, so if you give me this money now to buy that, for my dad to buy that airport, I promise you'll be the manager.
Yes, I will be the PA.
You'll be the manager, not the PA.
Huh?
You'll be the manager. And you know the airport is very, very big. The one in Lekki in Ajana. You don't know the airport?
Ha, Lekki.
My dad is the one going to buy that airport, and everything will be very, very fine. Don't worry. The money is just 150,000 naira.
Don't worry. I still have your account number, the Echo Bank. I will just tell Uchenna, he will just give me the money and I will transfer to you.
Why are you sure Uchenna will give you the
money? Why are you saying this kind of thing? Uchenna didn't want Tarato. Everything that I used to take to the stream, even when our father died, I helped Uchenna. So why will Uchenna not help me now? Why? No!
What you saw that you oh yeah. What you saw that you oh yeah. What you saw that you the evil that made you.
My own girlfriend.
The fair one with tattoo now that came from Dubai.
With who?
Ogoro, they are eating and drinking in the
Are they still there now?
No, don't come. She will not be one that I don't want trouble. I don't have problem. Don't come.
Okay, no problem.
Just ask her where she went to. She will tell you.
Okay, no problem.
Oh yeah. What you saw that you will reap.
Instead of let my left leg die.
What you saw that you will reap. When pain and sorrow come true.
My brother, I'm very tired. When I say I'm tired. Countless times I've given him money to start up a business for himself. But it ends up squandering this money. Then the worst thing is, after squandering this money, it goes to people's farm working for them as a laborer, my own brother.
Well, you said this before. This is not the first time I'm hearing it. That means you are really worried about the situation. But the fact here is that for how long are you going to suffer for your family? For how long? Paying for your sister's school fees, giving her upkeep. Now your brother too, who is very strong than a man. You can't kill yourself because of them.
As it stands now, I am confused. I'm totally confused because this guy don't want to be useful to himself.
Well, I can suggest take him away from you. Take him very far away from you, where he will not see you again to demand for money. Oh yes. If he stays closer, that's a problem to you. He's a full-grown man. Send him abroad.
Look, the Okoro we are talking about is an illiterate, and there's no way we can cope abroad.
Here you go wrong. This is not all about being illiterate. No, they don't speak English in most countries. He's going there to hustle. Take him to China. Yeah, if you say US, Canada, no, that one is different. It might be difficult for him. Take him to China. An average Igbo man, if he goes to China, he will make money. Send him.
I think you have a point.
Oh yes.
That's what I would do. But the Okoro I know is good at squandering money. This guy will still go to China and squander money.
China is very far. The distance is very far. If he remembers that if he doesn't have money, how can he? Okay, are you going to be sending money from here to China? No. Allow him to make money there. He can't be squandering his own money that he's making. And if that's okay, let him squander his money. And let him make the money there, then spend it. The most important thing is that he's no more closer to you. All the time demanding for money from you. And let him go. Settle him. No, that's you to work. Just
good and fine. In fact, I have to call my lawyer later and pray to start processing paper for him to travel to China.
Do that.
Yeah, no problem.
To help.
Drink up. Thank you for the
suggestion. You understand?
What you so that you
I can't just comprehend why everything is turning upside down.
Sweetheart, I think it's due to his poor status. Yes. If you can change your brother's status, I know everything will be fine.
But I've tried. I've done that. I've given him money, countless time. But he spent them on useless things.
I know.
Now he has returned to people's farm, working for them, my own brother. Can you imagine that?
Then why don't you fulfill his traveling dreams? I think if you can do that, everybody will have peace.
I think you have a point there.
I'll do that. What you so that you will read.
Okay, sir, you know, Qatar is not too good for an illiterate. Sorry, no insults intended anyways. So, China being our only substitute, I was able to bring all the documents he'll be needing for his trip.
It's quite impressive.
Okay, sir, thank you very much. And you know, I've been able to get the passport, and for the visa he will need to go for his interview at the embassy, Chinese embassy precisely anyways.
Yeah, so but hope the interview will not disrupt anything.
Not really, because everything that will disrupt the movement, I think I've actually put this aside, so it's a nice one.
Okoro, my brother, will be surprised on seeing this.
He will sure be surprised, sir. Okay, you over the phone you told me about the new property you acquired. Can we talk about it?
Yes. You're a fine woman, no? Who says I'm not fine? It's just that Okoro does not have money.
Hola.
Brother.
How are you?
Fine. How is Auntie Kechi and Cynthia?
They are all fine. How about my brother Okoro?
He went out with his friend Izu.
Yeah, okay. My wife!
Who is your wife?
Auntie Oma. He was on. How shut up your mouth before I slap you? Look at this crayfish. Okporoko. When I'm talking, you're talking. As for you, my God will destroy every occultic power you've used to blindfold my husband. Auntie Oma.
Why will you talk to me? What will you do? In fact, I'm leaving here.
But I don't leave. I'm sure that Bodokoro will not be in support of this nonsense.
Hey, that one.
You are right. But let me just go to my house, okay?
What you so that you pain and sorrow come true. Everything's falling apart. No peace for the wicked with an evil mindset. What you so that you will reap. No peace for the
How are you? My friend, how are you? I miss you. Sorry. My friend is you. My friend has you. Thank God you're back, oh my sister. At least your brother and his useless wife. We know that you're my guinea.
I'm your pillar now. Chegodi, Nkechi and Uche, are they back?
Oh, you don't know. My sister. Nkechi has succeeded in turning your brother's eyes from my husband.
No wonder. No wonder she's looking all beautiful and elegant. And my brother will not take me serious. You
see, we have to cut her wings and make her understand better.
Don't worry yourself. I am here. I am here to handle her perfectly. You know what I can do?
I trust you.
Has it been long they came back from the city?
From what I heard it was Nkechi that suggested they come to the village for vacation.
To show off now, to carry shoulder high for me. Nonsense. She suggested they come from the city to the village to come and do what? If I catch that lady, if I catch her, I will twist her.
Twisting? Me, I will beat her.
I can use her, we'll use her kudo and hit.
In the name of Jesus, I commit Uloma's family into your hands. Every evil plot against them, Father, I destroy them. I cancel them. I send them into the pit of air. Father, in the name of Jesus, anywhere this attack is coming from, I destroy them. It will not happen. Anywhere this is coming from, Father, in the name of Jesus, it will not happen. It will not happen. It will not happen. It shall not stand. The plot of the enemy shall not stand in that family. With the blood of Jesus, Father, I stop them. I stop them with your blood.
What you sow that you will reap. Oh yeah. What you sow that you will reap. When pain and sorrow come true, everything's falling apart. No peace for the wicked with an evil mindset. What you sow that you
have you paid for your jam?
No, but the first
Which one left? No. Hey, my brother.
You are looking good, my sister.
Thank you.
She said she have not paid for a jam lesson.
My brother, you are just coming. Let us discuss man to man. Go.
Okay.
Moloma, sweep this place.
No, this is why I came, so I have to.
Wait. Let me go and get you a chair.
Yourself.
So you will not. You will not take this fine clothes.
It's like you have forgotten that from this village. Okay, get the chair waiting.
Daddy, you said I was coming to the village just for my holiday. And now I've been here for almost 1 month. My holidays are over already.
Don't worry. That's why we are here. We came here to take you home. And also stay a few days before leaving. So
better. Because I don't like Aunt Oma's attitude towards me.
Auntie Oma?
What you sow that you will reap. Oh yeah.
Uloma, the beast almost killed you. You don't have to be afraid. I really prayed for you.
Amen. But Chika, honestly, a lot has been happening these days, and with this dream now, it's getting me more scared.
I know. You don't have to be afraid. I believe in God, and I know God will do it for us.
Amen. Thank you very much.
So, what are you reading?
I'm preparing for my exams.
I see. Don't worry. I know you will come out with flying colors.
Thank you very much.
What is it?
Calm down.
What is it? Isn't it? How are you?
I'm fine. This one you are jumping up and down. Don't worry, don't bother yourself. I will help you take care of that woman. For making you behave like this, don't worry yourself. I am here. Your sister is here.
Wait. Hope you are not referring to my wife.
Who else will be making you jump up and down like this?
She wants to slap you. Are you mad? Look, Ezine, I want you out of this place. You don't have a place in this house. Go and get married.
This is my father's house.
Your father served my food.
What you said that you will read.
Ezine,
my sister.
I heard you talking to someone.
It's my brother. He is suffering and smiling. I even offered to help him. But it seems that his wife has covered his face with witchcraft.
Oh, you don't know. So you don't know that Nkechi is a witch? Nkechi is the highest witch we have in this village.
Oh, she has finally finished my brother. But not to worry, I am here to help. I will correct everything. You know what I can do now?
Thank God someone can see things from my own point of view. If it was to be Oma, they'll say, Oma, you're a troublesome woman. Oma, you are this, you are that. My sister, let me tell you. Do you know that Nkechi was the one that killed her parents? No. She killed them with her witchcraft.
Tell me something. Let me even tell you. You see my brother, that's her witchcraft will not work.
My sister will tell you more. Come at
what you said that you will read. Oh yeah.
Hey, my brother, Okoro. You don't know how happy I am right now.
Uchenna, you never seem to amaze me. Is it because of this food? Look, my wife Oma used to be a good cook whenever she's in a good mood. Yes. Okay?
If I tell you how delicious this meal is, you will not believe it. Just hold on. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Be fast, though. Be fast, though. Uchenna, come back quick, oh. Before I finish the meat.
What is this? Prepare for interview. China influence. Just go to China and make the family proud.
Hey!
What is it?
Uloma, I am going to China.
Oh my God.
Naga China. Hey! Thank you, my brother.
Thank you.
Thank you, my brother.
But Auchi, thank you.
Tomo dogu na China.
Dogu na China.
Tomo dogu na China.
Dogu na China.
Hey!
That's enough. I'll be going to Mazi Ude's house now, huh?
Really? PJ, come on. Chai! Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Thank you.
But I go where?
Okay.
Hey! China! Tomo dogu na China.
Oh, Dogu na China.
Tomo corona Beijing.
What you said that you will read. When pain and sorrow come true, everything's falling apart. No peace for the wicked with an evil mindset. What you so that you will reap. No peace for the wicked, no peace for the evil man. What you so that you will reap.
Chika, go and call his family. Go and call his family.
What you so that you will reap.
Abuche! Don't take out my family! I will.
What you so that you will reap. No peace for the wicked.
So Nkechi finally allowed her husband to reason like a human being.
Auntie Oma, Auntie Nkechi is a good person.
China must obey me. China can't obey Okoro. Hey! You see China, by Japan, Tokyo Wadai. Say Bawa. Wata Atabashoko. Not only that, when I am coming back, my arrival, gunshots everywhere, gun salute, with 20 cars. 20 cars. Then I will start doing parties. Every day, everywhere, even the president of the nation will say, who is Okoro? Okoro na China.
Brother, is that all?
No. But I will even act like King Solomon with many conquer.
Guinea? Eh? No, say it again.
Conquering territory. What is it?
Your brother is dying.
What? Where? How?
He's parked along Umoji River.
Umoji River?
Yes.
Hey, Odogwana! Hey, which one now? Okoro, who will take you to China? Hey, Odogwana! Uchena, bibe. Odogwana! Owa webulu jebulu na. Owa wafia.
Okoro, is it not better you call Nkechi and give her the news?
Hello? My friend, will you come back to the village? Your husband is dead. That it is the same umbilical cord that connects the toad and the frog to their progenitors. And whatever is good for the frog is also good for the toad. Nkechi, you have to give me the details of my brother's properties. All, both home and abroad. So I could know how to move this family forward.
Sorry, Mr. Okoro. My husband, your brother, wrote his will.
What foolish will are you talking about?
I wonder, oh my sister.
Like I was saying before I was rudely interrupted. Look, when an elder like me speak with much emphasis, it is not the sweetness of words from my mouth. It is that I say things you cannot say. My brother Uchenna, He's a strong man. But I'm still to uncover the mystery behind his sudden death. Manawawe Boluje Bolona. Uchenna. Kebino. He is a strong man. And I'm sure he will fight back.
Definitely. He will fight.
Brother Uchi, where are you? Where are you?
All I am saying is peace. All I am preaching is also peace. But, Nkechi, you have to give me a detail of my brother's properties to take a review. And that is final.
Yeah, but Uncle, how about
what? Who is your uncle? How am I sure that my brother Uchenna is responsible for your pregnancy?
I wonder, Nkechi Waka Waka. We know you now. Pyong pyong pyong. Isn't it?
What you saw that you will read.
Uche's death is still a mystery. So he just got back, gave money to Kuru for his passport, and he just died. When he was trying to drive out. Just like that. Leaving Nkechi all alone. Without any sign of remorse.
So you still have the guts to talk about another man's wife? Hmm?
It's not like that. I'm just feeling for the poor widow.
Oh, so you cannot feel pity for me, Abby? You cannot feel for me?
Every day of my life, I pity you. But why would I be feeling for you every day? Is your husband not here?
Where is he? Please, show me. Where is he?
Which one you're looking for me? I'm here.
You. So if they call all husbands to come out, you carry yourself and come out, Abby? You.
Why would I come out? I'm not shy. Why would I?
Will you shut up your mouth? I shut it up for you. Stay.
Let person rest for this house. Now who be that? I said now who be that when they knock this gate in here? You keep pressing for here. Yes? Okay, why you force yourself to enter inside this place now? Sure. When you look this gate, it resembles the one we do in our community this place.
This is my brother's house. And it is my house.
Your brother's house. So they're not telling you that me be your guy for this house. I thought I come to come out for this place. Nobody did this house. Come they go.
Do you think I am a coward? A weakling like my friend Izuda couldn't summon the courage to come here?
You don't speak English, oh. I said, my friend, will you leave this place? Okay, you want to consist now? Now you? I don't know, Mock with the go. Sorry, no mess, okay? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mock with the go, eh? Nobody. Okay, make you sit down here. This shit, okay, wait till I bring something. Come. Yeah. This down here, you stay well. Oh, make I no. They cannot lick the share.
Just stop it.
Okay. Why? I don't know why madam they take long like this. So, madam will not come now. We don't go inside.
Look, let's take care of it.
Okay, Oga.
This your behavior. I will retain you as the gate man of this.
You're correct, sir. I retain my position.
I take over these properties.
Now your own, now brother own, now your own.
You know my brother does not have a male child.
Right, that's one that be very, very correct.
You're behind. You need to have white hairs.
Okay.
You're getting old.
I'm a fine woman.
Who doesn't know that?
Appreciate my beauty.
Auntie Oma. What have I done again?
What have you not done? What have you not done? Joy killer. That is what you are. Why are you not happy that Uncle Koro is trying to collect everything that belongs to Uncle Che from that his devilish, foolish wife? Had Jojo has caught up with you?
Sister Zinne, you have to reconsider your stand in this issue. Auntie Nkechi is a nice person and she should be left alone.
Hey!
You should leave the whole woman alone.
Hey! Zinne, I'm out of here. Before this girl will make me to beat her up merciless, not allow this one get you angry. This small thing.
Hi. I don't even know why you don't like her. After all, she's your fellow woman, and someday you.
Hey, someday, Guinea. Hey, my husband will not die, yo. My husband will live like Methuselah.
What you saw that you will everything.
The one and only. Baby boo. Ah, my sweetheart.
Where are you coming from?
Eh? The only one that means everything to me. Baby Kewe.
You still haven't answered my question. Where are you coming from?
Alright, fine. I'll tell you. I followed Okoro to the city. Yes, we had to look for a way to chase Nkechi out of that house. You know, she did not give the uncle a male child, and she was just there forming Galadima. So I went to give Okoro moral support.
Are you done blabbing?
I wasn't blabbing. I was explaining to you what happened. Yes.
Anyway, that's not the reason I'm here.
Tell me, baby, anything for you, baby. I know it's house chores and it's
No, now.
I know.
Come inside.
No, now. Do again.
Let's do now.
Aye.
I've been waiting for you. Can't you see?
No, now. I did something before I left. I was going to the city. I was going weak. Now I'm back. It's only to ask me if I've eaten.
There's food.
No,
I
now.
cooked for you
Something
today.
can kill me.
First time I'm cooking for you, Izu.
But at least let me eat and rest first before you talk about you.
So you want to spoil this?
See, don't go and misunderstand because the way I was just bouncing. I'm not even feeling fine. I did not mean to walk like that. I don't have strength.
Don't worry, you enjoy it. Come.
Watch you so that you will read.
Can't you greet?
You're welcome. Hope you...
I said shut up. I said just greet, not asking me questions. Where is my wife?
Hey, Mama. Hey, everybody.
My investment.
No.
Yeah.
So how was your day?
Not so fine, no. Do you know that foolish woman in kitchen? She's just so stupid.
I hope you threw her out of that house.
My wife, I did not. Because Izu advised me to give her a few more days so she can back out.
Few more days?
Yes.
Few more days? Okay, if you're sure that it's few more days, it's so bad.
Yes.
She needs to leave that house.
No, she must leave. We must possess our possession.
I need to take over that house after I have a boy. Did I even say a boy? I have a man. What does she have? Girls everywhere. So she doesn't have business with this house. I have a boy who will take over all this stuff, you know. The weather is too hot.
Did you prepare anything? What took you so long to open this gate for?
Okay, I mean, do something for the kitchen, so that you know the belly need them this period.
Where is madam?
Madam no come out. Madam no come out.
What about the kids?
Those one don't go school now. Man, okay. The way madam they come out for this house every day, I don't understand. If she come out, na. She don't come. Carry some kind things. She don't come out again. You know that kind. I don't understand them again.
It's okay. Take this now. Give it to her. I tell her she has 9 days to vacate this house. She should live also with her children. But if those girls does not have where to go, she should bring them back to the village. So that I will give their hand out in marriage as tradition demands.
Okay.
So that will be
that will not be problem now, okay? I could deliver this message in fact. It's delivered. So you know go come inside, okay? Okay, anything for you. I believe you now, but okay. You want to go now? Hurry on, okay? Correct.
Mother, welcome.
Thank you.
Hi. Welcome.
How are you?
Welcome, mother. One man say make I give you this letter. Yeah.
Oh, I wanted to tell you to make sure you do something about it.
Okay, I go tell the boys to fix them tomorrow.
And did he say his name?
Madam, now one man we come that time they call Okoro. He say name now he be Oga brother. Okoro na be.
That's my late husband's brother.
Now him bring the letter.
Okay.
Madam, this on your face don't change, so I hope
no problem. You may go now.
Yeah, okay.
Hello, barrister. Good afternoon. How are you doing today? Please, barrister, I really need your help. I don't understand what is going on. I need you to please come and read my late husband's will. I don't get it. I came back home to see a letter my late husband's brother dropped in my house, asking me to vacate the house. I don't understand. Please, I know it's not professional, but I beg you, if it means you driving down to the village, please, so that you read the will to everybody's hearing. Thank you very much. No problem, no problem. It's all right. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you.
I will arrange it here. Huh? Build a skyscraper here. Then, Eba, here will be my car park. Rolls Royce Phantom. Oma, my wife. Yes, Oma needs another car. If you go to 3. Let's use 350.
Okoro.
What's the meaning of this one?
You're not ready for work.
Izu, are you referring to me?
Of course I am referring to you. Listen, for your information, I've collected money from Mazi Ebubeo. And I told him, I gave him that assurance I will finish the work today. So I don't know what you are doing.
Izu, you are a fool. Izu, now you are a big fool.
I'm a big fool. Listen, I understand. You don't know how to go home and change. You know we have lots of clothes in the farm you can change to. So what is the problem? How am I a fool?
Izu, please accord me some respect. How would a pending millionaire like me, Okoro, dress up, carry my cutlass, and go to work in one lousy man's farm? Orubo, millionaire Dikeh.
Now, my man, I like you because you know yourself and you tell yourself the truth. You are a pending. It means you are not even a millionaire yet. Who even told you that you become a millionaire? Do you have the original document backing those properties in your possession? I'm asking you.
Izu, why are you talking like this? As if you don't know what is on ground.
What is on ground?
I am in charge and her 9 days ultimatum will soon be over.
Yes. And your life will soon be over because 9 days is too much for her to finish you. Before that 9 days, she will just sell those property and vomit with the money. Look at you. 9 days. A child that they give birth today, 9 days time, the child is already seen, he's looking with his both eyes. 9 days is too much to lose guard.
Isu, Nkechi. So, what do we do? Hey, now you're talking.
Want you so that you will read. Oh yeah, yeah. Want you so that you will read. When pain and sorrow come true, everything's falling apart. No peace for the wicked with an evil mindset. Watch you so that you will.
My husband, you've been like this since. What is the problem?
I need to pay Nkechi an urgent visit. I am having this feeling that she will sell my brother's properties and disappear.
Oh. Do you know I've been thinking towards that direction? Then you have to act fast. Secondly, I don't like the way you carry Izu along into this evening.
Izu is my friend and he is like a brother to me. That is not even a problem. I must pay Nkechi an urgent.
I never knew my brother-in-law can be seen. It baffles me. As in, how can a young man like that be so lazy to hustle for himself? Depending on his late brother's wealth.
My dear, the pressure is just so much on me. My main concern right now is my daughters. You know how village people talk.
Don't even think about taking those girls home. For their own good, please, don't just think about it. Don't even think. Don't think about it, please. Are you asking me?
The sum of 1 million naira goes to my sister, isn't it? And the sum of 5 million naira goes to my sister, Oloma, for her education. And to my brother, Mr. Okoro, I will the amount of 10 million naira and a house in Ondo, Isolo. And to my lovely wife, I leave the rest of my properties to take care of herself and our daughters. And this is the will of late Mr. Uchenna Madubogo. God bless the dead.
Nonsense! You are saying rubbish! How can my brother give me 1 million naira and give this one 5 million naira? It's not possible.
Isn't it? It's okay. It's okay. I will address the issue.
But I smell conspiracy. It's not possible.
Barrister, I must thank you for this will. I must thank you for bringing this will to life. And secondly, I must thank you for being around this family in this trying time.
You're welcome.
In my capacity as the head of Madubogo's family, I accept this will.
Hey! Why are you not saying this?
Yes, sir.
But that wait, go first. They gave me 1 million naira. I'm older than Uloma, you know now. And she's having 5 million.
It's okay.
You don't understand.
I will look into the matter. Barrister, my late brother Uchenna was a man of peace. And I am also a man of peace. What I preach is peace. And the paramount thing for this family is peace. To move this family to the next level. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Bodokoro. I know you will address this issue maturely.
Thank you very much, my husband. I really appreciate the way you handle the situation. And to you, my barrister, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I know I can always count on you.
Sure.
God bless you.
I really do appreciate everyone for handling this amicably. If for nothing for Mr. Uchenna, late, at least he was an honorable man. If for nothing for believing in me, for picking me as his lawyer no matter my age. So I would really love us to continue the way we are.
Sure.
Thank you very much. I think I should say this.
But you know me now. I have to pray before leaving.
God is at work, oh my sister.
Gloria, why this sad countenance? What is the matter?
It's okay, nothing. Never mind.
Gloria, you are my friend. And you should be able to confide in me. Tell me, what is it?
I'm having issues with my shop rent. And nobody is even willing to give me a loan.
Is that all?
Yes, that's all.
Okay, how much are we talking about here?
About 100k. I promise you, I'll pay you back. I promise.
Okay, send me your account details. I'll forward the money to you.
Just like that. Are you serious? You are just send me the account details. God bless you. Thank you so much. What is wrong with you? My friends?
Let me send. Thank
All
you.
our friends from
Thank you very much.
It's alright, so come on.
Nkechi. The ear that refuses to adhere to potent advice, when the head is cut off, the ear joins. It is the fly that refuses to perceive the smell of the corpse that follows the dead body into the grave. Nkechi, two rams cannot drink from the same bowl as the Wedlock oil, but two firewood can be lit up in the same flame, giving different flames. Nkechi, a child that does not understand the importance of herbs calls it mere vegetable. But a river does not flow through the forest without breaking down trees. A river can swallow anything, but it can never swallow a fish. I am the black firewood that catches in the ocean. I am Okoro. Nkechi! Nkechi, even in the forest where the lion is defeated, his subordinates should be treated with respect. How dare you chase the lion from his mouth? For kola nut lasts longer in the mouth of those who value it. The taste of the pudding is in the eating. He who beats a drum for a mad woman should be ready to be afar to get the rhythm. Nkechi! Nkechi! I warned you, but your ears were too small. As I speak, my brother's properties, both home and abroad, shall be too hot for you to stay. You shall run. You shall run. It shall be so hot. I will bear you. Nkechi! 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 Nkechi!
Madam, now you? Where is your car now?
See them there!
Who be that?
See them there!
Now let me get this compound since you.
I don't see you! I don't see you! I don't
Hey! Madam, what did happen now? You just enter here, they perform.
What happened?
I don't know. That house now.
See them!
Go where?
See mad woman!
Mad
See
woman?
mad man! You can be mad though!
Madam! What? I don't know about it now, madam. Hey!
No, I see you! I am coming for you! I am coming for you!
Oh!
I am coming for you! I'm coming! I need them! I need
You're coming. Madam! Mad.
My dear, it was strange. I couldn't even explain it myself. It started from my car. I was driving on the highway as if something strange possessed me. I walked out of the car. It stopped. I went back to the car again. Another one.
It's not normal.
Gloria, that was not just it. I went into my own compound, into my house. That same thing possessed me again. I walked out of my gate. I was okay. Because I don't Gloria, I don't understand. I don't just understand.
It's not normal.
Right, then, as I'm talking to you, I did not drive to this place. How did you see my car? I didn't drive.
Serious?
It is very serious.
So what you think is like, I don't understand.
I don't understand. I think I should call my barrister and tell him what is going on.
That's not a bad idea. Call him. Let's hear what's going to say about this. Ikechi. What's happening?
See you there!
Ikechi, are you okay?
See mad woman! See them here!
Ikechi, what is
See them here! See them!
Ikechi, calm down. Whoa! Ikechi, reflex. Go! Keep going, please, go! I see this. Nkechi's husband's money is not pure. I beg, I cover myself with the blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus. So, I cover myself with the blood of Jesus.
Is this our party business? Please. This boy should never see this people. Huh? Alert!
Hey! My husband, I don't know what is going on. I don't even know what is wrong with me. Whenever I enter our house in the city, as if something will chase me out of the house.
Okay.
Whenever I enter the...
What is happening?
I want to wear shoes.
What is happening?
I want to wear my chin. I want to wear my chin. I want to wear my chin. I want to wear my chin.
What is all this? My friend, leave my compound. Don't display this nonsense here.
You're a madman. What? You're a madman.
Me?
You! Madman!
Nkechi, I warned you. The ear that refuses to listen to potent advice, when the head is cut off, the ear joins. I want to grab my brother's property. Alma would like
You remember Uche? The one that died the day he was conversing.
Okoro's brother?
Yes, so the wife was the pain that killed her husband.
How did you know?
It's obvious. She is mad. Her evil deed has caught up with her.
That's far from the truth. Me, I'm fetching my water.
Want you so that you will read. Oh yeah, yeah. Want you so
Izu! Izuna! Izu! Come. So you want me to scream before you come after me?
What's it? God.
What are you doing?
I'm just relaxing, not to go out.
As if anything good can ever come out from you. Is it true?
What is it true? What true?
I heard that it was Nkechi that killed her husband to inherit his wealth, and as a result of that, she ran mad. Is it true?
What business? After all, that woman is very dangerous. If you like, come tell her you're going to run mad, it's not my problem. Me, I'm here now. I'm even waiting for her to die so that Okoro can just give me my share. That's
Hey! Instead of you to think of how to get money, you are here. Eh? You are here thinking of another man's property.
It's enough for the share. I'll take care of it.
With another man's money. Please. Just go. Just get out. Shay said you were going somewhere. Just go.
But I need to rest because the doing. Look, I no go die.
Lazy man. Don't rest. Keep on resting. Don't think of how you will take care of me in this house.
want you so
Daughter of a witch! Daughter of a witch! Daughter of a witch! Make sure you wash all these clothes. And when you finish, you fill the drum to the brim. You know go? Then when you finish that one, you go to the market and cook a sweet food for me. Oh. It has to be sweet. You know go?
Eh? Today? Oh, Auntie, how do you expect me to do all that today? It's too much.
Hey! Daughter of a mad woman! Eh? So your mad mother did not teach you how to do little chores. When I was your age, I was even doing more than that. This one is just a little something. Make sure you finish all these things. So, did you hear me? Make sure you finish it before I come back.
want you so that you will leave.
Today?
Oh yeah. Want you so that you will leave. When pain and sorrow come true, everything's falling apart. No peace for the wicked with an evil mindset. Watch you so that you will reap. No peace for the wicked, no peace for the evil man.
Yes, what is good about the afternoon?
Uncle, I want to speak with you.
Speak fast, I'm listening.
Uncle, please. I really want to go to school, but I can't now. Please, I beg you. Help me send my younger sister to school. Please.
I wish I could help. But what do you want me to do when you fully aware that I don't have any money?
But Uncle, you...
But what? Will you get out of here, you daughter of a cursed woman? Go to the other side. I said come here! I said move out from here! Look at it. As you help her for money. Did your father help me when I was in this village suffering?
Watch you so that you will reap. Oh yeah. Watch you so that you will reap.
I will burn all this clothes. Let me see how she will come and wear fine clothes in this house again. You want to come and be doing fine girl for me? You will wear all the fine clothes. Where I will be wearing rag? Now this house, it is not possible. Ngwa, born. Oji, yeah.
Auntie.
Hey, come on.
Auntie.
You're burning my clothes. You're burning my clothes. Sure, look at this. You want to burn your leg? Ngbanu, bata. Enter. Auntie, this is not fair. This is not fair. These are my clothes. Auntie, this is not fair. Look at this girl. You don't even have respect for your senior. Let me see how you wear fine clothes again in this house. You want to wear fine clothes to be shaking your bum, okay?
Antioma, what's the meaning of this now?
Hey, Onya Uko Broka.
Come on, these are my clothes. Look how she's getting to my clothes. This is not fair. This thing is not fair now. What's this now?
Onya Uko Broka. Come on. Are you still standing? Why you wait for me? You want to wait for me? You want to see what I can do up here? No, come now. Stupid girl, you want to be shaking your bum up here? Come and wear fine clothes. You're forming fine girl for me up here? Okay now. I will see what you will wear.
That's it.
Why is Aunt Mama this wicked? Why is she heartless? Okay, imagine. She just burnt my clothes. If my dad was still alive, all this won't be happening.
Cynthia, I know. Please stop it. You're making me cry. Please. Okay, I know that wherever your father is right now, he's working. Please stop it.
Auntie, please stop crying. Everything's going to be alright.
You see? Yes. Come.
Edu Brazil. Importer, exporter. CEO Edu Enterprises. What they came Your brother no favor. I am on top of money. Money speaks, money understands. Give back our business now. Money talks, money understands. Huh? Everything fine. Okay, yeah. Can buy a chicken. Let me call you back. What is it?
Brother, see, I don't like the way you and your wife is maltreating Cynthia.
Uloma, have you gone nuts?
See, and besides, I have not received my own share of the 5 million naira according to the will.
Do I look like that humble lawyer?
But it's you I know. It's you I know. I don't know anything about the lawyer, so you better do something.
Oh, can you get alert? Can you get alert now? Huh? I should give you alert. Huh? I should give you alert. I'll take the beating of your life. 5 million naira. 5 million. What is she going to do with 5 million naira? Imano sisa na pa mbologo, imawaya na pa ikiri, imano sisa na pa mbologo, imakwaye na pa ikiri o. Barrister Kevin. Barrister Kevin. Barrister Kevin. The private part of an old man is not a plenty to a small child. The fertility of an old woman is not paramount to productivity. The bird knew of its ugliness and decided to fly by night. Even in the forest where the lion is defeated, his subordination treated with respect. But the snake that strikes at the back of a tortoise is only sharper in this state. No matter the magnitude of love a hunter might have for his female dog, he can never take it in as a second wife. Barrister Kevin, from today, you shall be my pet. Whatever I say, that is what you will do. Whatever I command, that is what you will do. Barrister Kevin. Barrister Kevin. Barrister Kevin. Barrister, I must thank you for your efforts, for leaving your comfort zone to come to this village. I so much appreciate that. As a man of peace, there is a way I appreciate loyal people like you, because I know your loyalty is not in doubt, except you choose to do otherwise.
No, come on. I pledge my loyalty. I wouldn't change. And ma'am, thank you very much.
Barrister, this one you're about to leave, and the food is almost ready. The meal will be so delicious.
At this point, I have to tender apologies. I have a very important meeting to meet up with.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you very much, sir. I should be on my way. Thank you very much, sir.
Safe journey.
Thank you.
Safe journey. Oma, where were you looking at that young man like that, smiling like a Christmas goat?
Ha! Nothing on my husband. Money is coming.
Don't try that next time.
Ha! Okay, no problem. What to do?
You are not loyal now?
Yes, sir.
Because there is money.
Yeah. Where are you going to?
I'm going to see my friend.
You want to go and see a man or where? Hey!
Antioma!
Antioma, Dawasia Gono. Look at this girl. Look at you. Nonsense. Now, get into that house. You make sure you go to the market and cook sweet food for me. Then you fetch water. And then you run to that my friend.
Antioma! Come on. Oh, I'm tired and hungry now.
Hey! Alika, you're tired and hungry like this. Where would the food enter now? Nowhere. because you're dry like a dry fish. Nonsense. This is what you get for supporting Uche instead of supporting my husband. Nonsense.
Is that what the message is all about?
My friend, go and do what I asked you to do. If not, I will beat you. Go and do it. No, that your brother Uche will not even save you again. Come on, go, come on, be fast. Look at that dry fish.
What you so that you oh yeah.
Hey,
Bube. Ma.
Who took money, Sabah?
Mama, which money?
Who took the money that I just kept this one?
I'm not your bank now, Mama.
Come here, come.
Mama, I'm not with your money now.
If I slap your face.
Mama, I'm not with your money. Hey, but this is not your money now.
Hey, Bube, what have I done to you? Instead of you to be working and be giving your mother the little one that I save in my pocket, you will not go there and collect it. Can't even collect it, you will still be lying, Bube. Eh? Stop lying. This is it. Hey!
I took it, I did not steal it, Mama. I did not steal it.
How can you be stealing? What is this? Okwari. Okwari.
No, I did not steal it. I did not steal it now. I took it.
Chief. Okwari.
What is it?
I've been admitted into the university.
Thank you, Jesus. So God has finally smiled on us.
Yes.
On this family.
What is going on here?
Hey, Antoma. I've been admitted into the university.
And so? What is my business? Bia, Okporoko. Your mates are in their husband's house. And you're here wallowing in your father's house. Do you want to die in your father's house? Akada.
Is it your business?
Hey! Aleka! Obajie! Nekwe! Okporoko! Look at her. Stupid girl. Nonsense. Dimoma, come let me go and give you this thing. I know you will like it.
What you so that you will reap. Oh yeah. Anya mere juwa manya. Obi agbawa mo. Ijelu amo. Osirike. Ijelu amo. Osirike. Anya mmiri ejuo manya. Chukwu kere ụwa gbatara m ọsọ nnyemaka. Ihe nwanne na-eme nwanne ya maka akụ na ụba. Ihe nwanne na-eme nwanne ya maka akụ na ụba. Ihe nwanne na-eme nwanne ya maka akụ na ụba. Onye ka m ga-akọsara? Onye ka m ga-edesara? Onye ga-emeda m obi? Ekekere ụwa bịa nọrọ m ọgụ Chimo.
Just help me give my sister injection, please.
See, young girl, I have told you. I've helped you enough. Just go get this 300 naira balance and I will treat your sister for you.
I will get it, but just give her the injection, please. My sister is dying.
See, I have helped you enough. I helped you. See, I have so many things to attend to now. Please, just go. Just go.
Obi agbawa mo.
Sonia is dying.
Of what?
Hello, please stop. Well, okay, that's it, please. I just need 300 naira, please, I beg you. I'm missing my younger sister. She's all I've got, please.
300. Do you want me to steal? Where do you want me to get it from?
Auntie, I know you have the money, but please just give me. Please, I beg you.
1, 2, 3. 300 naira. I don't have wow.
Auntie, get out!
Your sister should go and die. 300 naira. Did you give me 300 naira to keep? 1, 2, 3, 300.
This girl is still here. What's going on?
Brother, please, just give her the injection. I promise, I swear, I'll pay you the 300, please. I couldn't find the money.
Go get this 300. There's nothing I can see. Even though you talk for 90 tomorrow, I cannot still help you.
Please, sir. I cannot lose my sister, please.
Just look at this girl. This girl she's dead though.
Tonya, open your eyes. She's not breathing. No! Tonya! You caused all this! I beg you to help me save my sister! I beg you to help me save her! No, look, you killed her! Tonya, please get up! Tonya! You can't go! Tonya, look, it's me, your sister! You need to open your eyes! Tonya, open your eyes! Open your eyes! Daddy, why? Why did you let Tonya die? Why, Daddy? You know she's all I've got. Why did you let her die now? Why? An ordinary nail pierced her leg. And I couldn't save her. I'm a worthless sister. I'm not a good sister, Tonya. Please forgive me.
What are you doing here? Cynthia, what are you doing here? You're supposed to be selling pure water out there and bringing back the money to me. You're here bringing back Tonya. Am I not talking to you? I will...
So you are this heartless because of 300 naira. Ordinary 300 naira. Allow that innocent child to die.
Young woman, this is my profession I'm talking about.
Whose fault? Mine? You know what? I just feel like choking you to death.
The young girl to get the balance of 300 naira.
And where do you expect her to get 300 naira from, Uka? I just feel like choking you.
This is Chika. This is not my fault here.
Whose fault?
This is not my fault here. But it's so unfortunate the poor girl died.
You are just wicked, that is it. Chika, you don't have anything to say.
you just have to understand. I sympathize with her anyway. I could not help it.
You sympathize with her. It's okay. You can go. At least the child is dead
just
now.
Unfortunate.
I don't know, Saben.
Just unfortunate.
With me. I don't know if I'm running mad. I can't enter our house. I can't do anything. Look at me. What is wrong with me, honey? Look at your wife. I'm even on barefoot. I don't know what is going on.
Very sorry. But everything is fine now. Don't go back to the village house again. Go back to the city. Cynthia will join you soon. I'm sorry. Tonya is dead.
Matara mosun yema